We are going to have what?
आलू पूरी।
आलू पूरी, yes. हम लोग जा रहे हैं आलू पूरी खाने मेघराज की, ठीक है। अब बने रहो वीडियो में। ये है नया गिम्बल, इससे मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ बनाने की वीडियो जो थोड़ा ट्रिकी है। The way it does, no? See.
está bien।
ये बन रही है हमारी पूरियाँ गरम गरम। सो दिस इज द डो, दे फिल इट विद, इसके अंदर क्या भरते हो? दाल ना। सो दे फिल इट विद सम दाल, सम लेंटिल। बीच में दिवाली पे आपने बंद रखी हुई थी ना? हाँ, बड़ा वेट कर रहे थे हम खाने का।
¿Para qué? Ah, mira, tienen la...
You want to have a crispy puri or normal?
No, no.
नॉन नरम नरम लगा देना 4 प्लेट। आर यू एक्साइटेड फॉर द पूरी?
This one?
यस।
Yeah, obviously. Obviously. We'll see if this is better than yours or it is... What do you say? It is better than yours or it is...
एक्चुअली ये कह रही है कि मैं कंपेयर करूँगी कि पापा के हाथ से जो आलू पूरी खाते हैं उससे बढ़िया है या उससे कम बढ़िया है, तो ये वही कह रही है।
होममेड पूरी तो
बेस्ट
मेरी है, वो बेस्ट है।
ही सेइंग homemade puris are different but they serve differently, so but yeah, we love it. Whenever we want to eat aloo puri we come here.
I love it.
Oh,
He loves
my
it.
God.
The person
Okay.
who makes best aloo puri, he loves this aloo puri.
Okay, now I'm having high expectations.
कह रही है मेरी उम्मीदें ज़्यादा बढ़ गई हैं।
देसी घी।
So they don't use oil for the puri, so they use ghee, you know na, desi ghee. So yeah, that is actually heavy but healthy. And along with this aloo puri, they sell all these things like pakode, these pakodes.
My mom was telling him something in Spanish.
What?
I don't know, she may ask for a Coke.
Coke? I'll order. So this
And I
is
think
heavy.
she ordered the big one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Apart from this thing, the most special thing about this place is their pickles, their salads. You're gonna love these all three. This is
Que
made
dice que
of.
estos son como, bueno, les llaman encurtidos pues.
ये क्या है? बॉटल ये घी का है?
आम का है।
This is mango. This is some kind of we call it in Hindi kachalu. But English में क्या कहते हैं कचालू को?
Este obviamente es
I'll tell you the
zanahoria,
English name
mango.
of kachalu. I don't know. Maybe not sweet potato. No. This is carrot.
Okay. Can you borrow me your other cell phone? I'm seeing I'm not having space.
हाँ sure.
I won't throw it.
It's fine, yeah. It's not mine. It's just our.
Thank you.
Let her taste first. आंटी के
Un poquito menos de
सबसे
qué?
ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होते हैं भाई।
O sea, ¿sí está bueno? Dice que está bien, que sí le gustó,
She liked it.
que no está salado como los demás. Que... I was speaking to you in Spanish.
Yeah. So she liked it.
So yeah, she says that is not that very much salty like the other ones, like the other food. So she's liking it. She's
Okay,
enjoying
great.
it.
आंटी को पसंद आई है। आपको कैसी लगी? As always.
would always eat
Yes.
it for her cook.
Yeah, she will have to drink this because it is maybe spicy for her, but not
But
for
I
us.
want less.
You are throwing things today. Stay away from her today. भाई ये है मेरी प्लेट. Gab, you also taste and tell me now.
Yes, yes.
And I have ordered one lassi for you.
Thank you. I saw that in the fridge and those are looking good.
Yeah, it is good actually. Here it is. You tried it with the chole or the aloo? How was it? Yeah, take couple of bites and tell me. Let's have.
So this is supposed to be
This was.
this is the puri. No, the aloo.
This is puri. This is aloo. Aloo means potato. Chole, you know chole.
Oh, okay, okay.
How was it?
Yeah, it's
Good?
good. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Take couple.
flavor- I eat first the aloo.
Aloo.
So I'm familiar with this more.
Ah.
And this has been like many different tastes
Yes.
along the ones we have been taken.
Yeah.
But this one like takes some time to actually, I don't know how
Okay,
to say
got it.
But this is really tasty. Really tasty. So
Yeah,
I'm liking
yeah.
both. Definitely.
Great. And now it's
बहुत अच्छा बहुत बढ़िया
बहुत बढ़िया.
बढ़िया
मजा आ गया.
that I have to master still.
मैं टेस्ट करता हूँ भाई अपनी. Damn good.
Te van a servir más siguiente. This all is really good. Vean, see this thing. My mom is crazy about this.
थोड़े से और डाल.
I was saying that this is spicy. Thank you.
This is your guy.
This is spicy that gives you the reaction, like this kind of I don't know how to say it, but it is like you cannot stop eating actually.
Yes.
Like there are some things that are spicier and
Yes.
you definitely stop it, and this is spicy but you can you want
I got
to
it.
eat it.
तो ये कहना चाह रही है कि ये स्पाइसी तो है, लेकिन ये ऐसा स्पाइस है कि मतलब छोड़ा नहीं जा रहा. मन कर रहा है बार बार खाते जाओ. हलवा इज हियर. भाई ये हलवा भी बहुत ज़बरदस्त है यहाँ का.
Hay dos cosas que están esperando, mi lassi
You guys yes.
y mi
Papa Buddha.
halva. What is this made of?
Semolina.
Semolina.
या
Pues recuerda el halva es muy caro, ¿no?
आप
Que la
अपने
pruebes, este es
साइड में
dulce.
निकाल दो ना.
ये टेस्ट करें ना मेरे
This is gonna be hot, tell her.
Dice que está caliente.
इतना नहीं है गर्म. नहीं इतना नहीं है.
And it's made of full ghee only.
Sigo no estar. I told you.
Parece como
She says that it tastes like sweet potato.
But it's semolina.
Es algo diferente, pero. Ah.
आप खाओ, आप क्यों ऐसे खड़े हुए हो लेके. But she liked it or no? She liked it?
Yeah, she liked it.
अच्छा लगा.
She was saying that it was tasting between sweet potato and rice.
ओके. तो मैं अब ट्राई करने वाला हूँ यहाँ का हलवा, जो मुझे काफ़ी दिन बाद खा रहा हूँ मैं. आई एम श्योर बहुत टेस्टी होगा. घी देखो, इसमें घी कितना भरा हुआ है यहाँ पे. Gav, have you eaten?
उसका रे खावे नमकीन ना
I love it. भाई सूजी के हलवे बहुत खाए हैं, सही बता रहा हूँ, कुछ अलग ही है.
Now I want to taste. Oh my god.
ये दो.
I want to taste definitely this lassi look. It looks very thick.
Yes, it is.
So shall
It
I?
is full of malai. हाँ यार.
Yeah.
आंटी कह रही है तूने फिर गिरा दिया.
Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, this is really good. Can you ask two for
You drink this one and you're gonna sleep today, all day.
Then you have to take 5 so I can sleep all
All
the
day.
week. I'm definitely loving this. Lassi.
Now Gav, taste the halwa. Your mom liked it. I wanna see your reaction and your review on that.
I'm gonna start like her, Jimmy.
Have a bigger bite.
It is, I think, with a lot of ghee, you say?
Yeah, it is a lot of ghee.
Even for me, it's a little bit sweet. It's good.
Because
but
you just had lassi, na, that's why maybe there is a difference in some taste. Otherwise, you would have liked. But you like the puri.
Yeah, definitely.
We
And the lassi.
And the lassi also.
Yeah.
And we should come back very soon.
Definitely, especially for the lassi.
ये आ गई हमारी गाड़ी. अब हम जा रहे हैं मजनू का टीला. She always asks me to go inside.
Yeah, otherwise is she gonna be the...
Sandwich.
Yeah.
भैया 6455. Yeah. I'm satisfied with the food and the taste. Yeah. It was good.
And again, there are something that I would like to say that the people. I mean,
Here?
regularly people, yeah, it is very... I mean, the places we have gone so far, people has been really attentive. Like this customer service is there, like they are even very happy. Whenever they see you shooting and all, they are like, very
शूटिंग करते हुए
curious.
किसी को देखते हैं ना, मतलब यहाँ पे, मतलब इंडिया में कल्चर में ऐसा है हमारे, तो वो खुश होते हैं. एंड इन आई थिंक योर कंट्री, इफ यू शूट समथिंग ऑन दीज प्लेसेस, सो हाउ वुड दे फील लाइक? They are okay or they can be offended?
Not offended, but yeah, definitely there will be places wherever they're gonna be like what are you doing or something like that. Giving some attitude because maybe they don't want to, you know, be recorded and all. But in general, they are indifferent, like whatever you are doing. But here they are very excited, like what are you doing? Even they accidentally come to the
in the
frame.
video.
So they love to be shooted also.
So there was a guy I was seeing. He was standing just behind the camera and he was shooting. He was seeing that what's going on, especially with the gimbal. He was like, "What is this?"
Yeah, my mom was saying also that, like, oh, he want to come into the picture.
हम पहुंच गए हैं भाई. ये है मजनू का टीला.
रिक्शा के दिए नहीं मेरे से.
This is the entrance of monastery. और फ़ोन में बैटरी हो चुकी है ख़त्म मेरे. हम बाई चांस आ गए, हमारा कोई प्लान नहीं था आने का पहले यहाँ पे, लेकिन अब देखते हैं कितनी चलती है. ना चार्जर है ना वो है. handicraft. Oh, nice.
Son las tucas de Buda. ¿Qué? Las de Buda, los monasterios. Ay, mira. Oh, look. In
Oh, they have laughing, which you liked, or which you didn't like actually.
yeah.
Oh, I thought it's a dummy dog. See, he's in one position. Where are you going? There, that way or this way? We should go.
I don't know.
Pool
I'm
cafe.
just exploring also.
I think we should go this side. Where market? इधर है इधर है. Is here gap.
I don't think. This is the outside again.
Yeah, come now. Let's see. Oh, this is monastery. हाँ?
अरे कोई नहीं एक बार बस
Let's go. भाई बहुत पतली पतली गलियाँ हैं. It's very narrow.
मेरा बहुत टाइम से मन था.
Very crazy 天気がいいから散歩しましょうなんで天気がいいのに散歩するの女の人と男の人が話してますよなんでやねん僕関係ないですよ Yo みんなおはようございます今日の気分はマジで悪いです先生見てる俺の目元気じゃない疲れたぜマジで
ऐसे लग रहा है मैं मसूरी में आ गया हूँ. Gap. It feels like a hill station in
Yeah.
India somewhere.
See?
Tempa Cafe.
And like most of them has like with karaoke, you know?
They have this music system. Keep moving, yeah. These dogs are looking at me.
Ay.
Oh, you will get all these kind of Maggies and noodles.
Dice, síganse moviendo porque los perros nada más se me quedan viendo.
Oh, this is the place, yeah, where we had the Chinese food in Mussoorie.
Really?
You
Pati?
remember? Kalsang, where we sat on first floor.
Sí.
Nagla House. Kimchi Korean restaurant. भाई बिल्कुल तो पूरी ऐसा लग रहा है मैं बैंकॉक के कहीं हो रहा.
Shall we take some photos here? In
Photos?
this machine.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
60 rupees, 5 minutes. Come.
Come. See, take a beautiful picture. Start.
What is the charges? Huh? 200 rupees.
For how many?
For how many?
सेम प्राइस सबका एक ही है
200 rupias.
But what is this for? I didn't get
It's to get pictures.
here.
Huh?
Why? How will
Like with
how
these,
will it
like
look?
these ones.
We have our cameras, so many
Let's
expensive
do it,
cameras. So
Let's just do it for the experience.
कह रही है कि यहाँ पे फोटो खींचते हैं. इधर आओ पापा. But Gabby, it's actually I'm saying it's expensive. I'm telling you.
Have the experience.
200 रुपए. यहाँ पे ऐसे फोटोज बन के आ जाएंगे. Oh, they will give us the printout.
Yeah, that is what I'm
Oh,
telling you,
okay, okay,
Chihuahua.
okay.
What is this thing?
Let
You come.
क्या बात है, ये तो
Tell
अपने
your
अभी
dad to come as soon
कैप्चर
as
हो जाएगा.
possible.
कम जल्दी आओ. पापा आगे आओ. बंद कर.
What the? Espérame. It's start.
हाँ इधर है ना सामने कैमरा.
Yeah, it is counting.
Oh, it's gonna do it on.
First is gone. Okay, vamos a confirmar. Retro. Okay, let's choose the black and white, pink, nature, texture.
दो पिक्चर्स हो चुके हैं, अब तीसरी होने वाली है.
But look there. Let's change the position.
Okay.
You guys come over
आप
here.
इस साइड आओ. It is asking you to select any border. Oh. हमें भाई प्रिंट आउट मिलेगा. इसमें 200 रुपये का यहाँ पे चार्जेस थे. फोटोज खींचनी है इसने और ये प्रिंट आउट निकाल के देगा.
Which one? That one.
ना दिस वन क्यूट वन. या और दिस वन, दिस विद रिबन्स. या
इसमें ये दिख रही है ये ठीक है
हाँ, you clicked it very quickly. No more discussion.
He says here.
Yeah,
Where is
print.
this? Your sticker. You like. Oh.
Na.
No, how I remove this?
Click on this again. No?
Oh, here.
Oh. Yeah, and below. Yeah, now click on print. Oh, do it with the phone. Electronic print also you will get. Quickly.
No, that is already.
ये आ गई हमारी फोटोज प्रिंट होके. वाओ गैवी, नाइस. I thought they are just taking amount for the pictures. That's why I was telling you.
No, Chihuahua.
हाँ मतलब खिंच गई अब तो. भाई इसमें ऐप को स्कैन करके ना इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वाली भी आ गई हैं.
See?
Nice. They are good. Oh, here also I got.
The one that makes more the poses was my mom. Like, a ver, fíjate si no dejé nada. No? How was it?
Very good. First experience. I have never done that.
This is something very Korean.
हाँ.
See. We should come to some Korean.
वाले हैं ये मूव हो रहे हैं.
Mira, ahí se están moviendo las que sacó él.
They are moving. देखते ही क्या. Kimchi Korean restaurant.
There are karaoke restaurant, Korean restaurant.
Your mic is little downside. Yeah, it's a good place. We should come here when we are not. When we are hungry, isn't it?
Yeah. See, it looks very good.
Oh wow, क्या कैफे बना हुआ है यार, बहुत ही प्यारा है.
See this thing.
Corn dog. Uncle Wang's momo. There are Gaby. There are so many restaurants. See, Coco
Yeah.
restaurant. भाई जगह बढ़िया है यार. मैं तो पहली बार आया हूँ अंदर. Oh, I think here I have come on this in this street. I have come once very long ago. This street I remember.
What is the monastery?
Monastery कहाँ पे है? पीछे. They're saying on the back side, the other way. और ये मार्केट है इधर से. आओ. Excuse me.
Sí.
See, a lot of people are there inside. Sofa, kitchen.
अभी तो मेरे को कोई बोलने
Gap.
वाला नहीं है और दोस्तों की
Yes.
भी नहीं हूँ।
ब्रेकफास्ट बुफे सेट 200 रुपये का बुफे सेट ब्रेकफास्ट.
पर तो देखो समय
Mira los muñequitos allá adentro.
Did you find something there?
Yes.
Things are expensive there. Did you buy something? What?
I'll show you later on.
और मेरे फ़ोन की बैटरी भी ख़त्म होने वाली है. शायद अभी रख ही दूँगा. मज़ा आ रहा है मार्केट में. फ़ोन्स बैटरी इज़ गोइंग.
Do you want this?
No, let's see. You liking it here? You liking it here?
Yeah, definitely. There are a lot of things, like every store invites you to come inside.
या एक्चुअली मुझे भी बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. मैं बहुत पहले आया था शायद, मुझे याद ही नहीं है
very,
कब
very
आया.
new.
आप आए हो पहले यहाँ पे? बट मैं बहुत पहले आया था.
Lot
It
of
has changed a lot.
Yeah?
Yeah. Lot of what?
I mean, lot of things to process because it is like Tibetan place also with Nepali, Indian, all together.
All together. Yeah.
Very interesting.
We have come to the end of this.
See,
I
now
think.
the Italian flavor. We should step here.
You want to have?
We want.
Yeah. Okay. I will not.
See, this lady didn't even ask.
पापा. आइसक्रीम खा रहे हो. मैं भी नहीं खा रहा हूँ. मेरी इच्छा नहीं है. $100% eggless gelatos.
Pero mira, el chiquito está a 210, ¿eh? O sea, el chico, 210. Dice chico, small, regular y grande. Esos son los precios. Chico, regular y grande. O sea, que ahí te le ves. O sea, el chico está en 210. Va. Gracias. See? One small please.
Ours.
Mom.
I mean ours order. Me. But that is looking
Yeah.
very good.
That is hazelnut chocolate.
How's this? Good.
¿Qué cómo está?
This is yours. This is plain.
What do you mean by plain?
It
Belgian.
has nuts and all.
Chocolate con almendra.
No, I don't.
You want to taste?
Because the halwa was actually very heavy. Guys. That's why.
Ligerito de también.
There are.
How's yours?
Yeah, it's good.
I want to taste this with this one.
Es galletita.
Nice. Let's go. चलो.
Oh, these are fake ones.
अभी आंटी को हमने चिस्तो सितो किया, मजाक किया. मैंने आके ना इन्हें गड्डी थमा दी. मैंने कहा ये लो, आपने जो शॉपिंग करनी है कर लो. कह रही है क्या है? तो मैंने कहा फिर
She says now you're gonna have to give me one.
रियल वन. हमने भी 20 रुपए की गड्डी दे दी नीचे.
I was getting excited.
You were excited? Tell her that you bought this. ये इसने खरीद दिया गया भी नहीं, हमें कहीं दिख गई थी, कह रही ले पंगे लेंगे. मैंने आंटी के हाथ में दे दी. मैंने कहा आंटी ये लो शॉपिंग कर लो. एंड आंटी की ना शक्ल ऐसे एकदम सीरियस हो गई कि इतने सारे पैसे क्यों दे रहा है मेरे को अचानक से. She was excited and a little skeptical also, like why this much, and then she was saying okay 200 rupees.
And now she's saying I'm gonna take revenge. Oh, we got revenge.
तो हम घर आ चुके हैं वहाँ से और अभी हम आते हुए शाम को थोड़ा बहुत पेस्ट्री वेस्ट्री ले आए हैं खाने के लिए. पैटी पेस्ट्री और चाय बन रही है. और
There are another thing because there were no shampoo anymore. Do you want to see what she does? What she did? Come.
what she did as in?
Because there were no more shampoo, right?
हाँ.
There is something that Mexican does. I don't know if Indians, but
She put in water in the shampoo bottle. Yeah, we do that. We do that. Yeah, it will work for few days. Yeah, we also do.
would you can now tell her, see auntie, I bring new.
So ये जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे शैम्पू की बोतल खाली होने वाली होती है, थोड़ा सा पानी डाल के उसे, मतलब मैं तो करता हूँ, सारे करते हो ना करते हो, तो आंटी ने वही किया था. वो मुझे दिखा रही थी कि तुम लोग भी ऐसा करते हो. या वी ऑल्सो डू समटाइम, नॉट ऑल ऑफ अस, बट या वी डू दैट समटाइम.
Now you can tell.
जैसे हम पानी नहीं डाल देते, जैसे खत्म हो रही होती है शैम्पू.
काम आ जाता है.
हाँ. Yeah, he said, yeah, we do that. Where is my pastry? ये आ गई चाय. ये पैटी है. और ये गैबी पेस्ट्रीज
डाल देंगे ना प्लेट में वगैरह.
हाँ, पैटी तो हमारी है, ये नहीं खा रहे. आंटी टेस्ट करें. विल शी टेस्ट पैटी? आलू पैटी? आस्क.
दिस इज पैटी.
Ese es patty. Tiene papa dentro.
This is not spicy,
No, es que no está.
but salty definitely.
सॉस
She says it's okay.
No? Okay, नहीं खाएंगे वो.
I also don't want.
You don't even want to taste? Taste at least.
Taste, but
Yeah, taste. Have it like this, like a sandwich. Yeah. I think you will like it later on. No?
no, fine.
Fine, no? It has a filling like a dosa only. Yeah, potatoes, masala potatoes.
Really like a dosa.
Hmm.
Definitely more crunchy. Which if you don't want something dry, is difficult.
We have got this. ये कौन सा है? This is
Pastry cheesecake.
blueberry, and this is rich truffle. Rich truffles, and you have a premium one, na? This is a premium one, na? Oh, this is chocolate pie actually. ये pie है. ये रात को यही खाते हैं इतना उतना ही. रात को इनकी भाई बिल्कुल कम है डाइट. थोड़ा सा ही खाते हैं. बट होता महंगा है थोड़ा सा.
उनको लगेगा वो सवेरे भी तो
What now?
Papa is saying wherever we have to go for the dinner that at that home, let her take them in the morning because they don't eat anything in the night. We said that we will have half an hour. You're leaving this for me. ये है मेरा
Get the help from this. Okay.
chocolate pie. Wow.
It's good.
This is also good. You can keep having.